If you need more incentive to take social distancing seriously, you don't want to miss this story.
Yeah, new video shows just how easily someone can spread coronavirus in a grocery store and just one cough. Researchers in Finland created this 3D digital model to show how fast and how far a single cough can spread the tiny particles that carry the coronavirus through a typical grocery store. Look at that. The tiny airborne particles can spread through coughing, sneezing, or even just talking. In an invisible cloud, that cloud can linger for several minutes and spread quickly over store shelves. Look at that. And people nearby end up breathing it in. So I hope if you're watching and you're trying to decide whether or not you should put on a mask, this should show you why.
Yes.
That is crazy.
That sends it home for me.